our most advanced pest-proof bird feeder yet. We listened to all your feedback and put it into one design. Gone are the days of squirrels outsmarting your feeder. Our new and improved enhanced metal design is a fortress against any squirrel. Not only is it metal, but the mechanics of it have been worked on meticulously to thoroughly improve its responsiveness. The new lower assembly is now far more robust than ever before. We have worked around the clock on both little and major elements and improved it in every way imaginable. PestOff 2.0 now comes with an anti-squirrel ring, completely stopping squirrels clinging onto the feeder. A brand new feature to join the many pest-proof deterrents on this feeder. And size? We've supersized it. The PestOff 2.0 boasts a huge 2-litre capacity, one of the largest on the market, significantly reducing your refill trips. PestOff has always been weatherproof, and now it's rustproof. Not only is PestOff 2.0 a flagship feeder, but it will be a staple for your garden decor too. We've made cleaning your feeder even easier. It simply clicks apart with no tools required, and now the new PestOff 2.0 comes with an exclusive seed shield for easier cleaning. It also reduces the amount of seed falling out of the feeder, meaning no more wasted seed. Now is the time to enjoy birdwatching hassle-free. Welcome to a new era of bird feeding. Practical, functional, exceptional.